How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
What's your name?
My name is Passette.
What's your name?
My name is Passette.
What time is it?
It's 1:30 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 1:30 p.m.
Can you help me?
Sure,
Can you help me?
sure.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
How's your family?
They are not doing well.
How's your family?
They are not doing well.
Where do you work?
I work at ABA Bank.
Where do you work?
I work at ABA Bank.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't.
What's your phone number?
It's 295-7418.
What's your phone number?
It's 295-7418.
What's your favorite movie?
Hollywood movies.
What's your favorite movie?
Hollywood movies.
Where do you live?
I live in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
Where do you live?
I live in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.